Welcome to Jetinno, where cutting-edge innovation meets advanced manufacturing. Here, craftsmanship and technology come together to elevate every detail of the coffee experience. Spanning 68,000 square meters, the facility integrates 6 categories of coffee machine lines, robotic core module assembly lines, and intelligent warehouse. In our machining center, CNC machines work in seamless coordination, giving us complete autonomous control from sheet metal cutting to core component fabrication. 3 highly automated lines are dedicated to assembling our core modules: grinders, brewers, and mixers. With precision engineering and streamlined efficiency, ensuring every component meets exacting standards. Our production is organized across 6 dedicated lines: Coffee to Go, Vending, Horeca, OCS-PM, OCS-FM, and Home, covering the full spectrum from commercial to residential solutions. Each line operates with its own specialized processes and standards, ensuring expert production and seamless collaboration. Standardized workflows, data-driven management, and intelligent automation define our entire operation. Automated bagging, packing, and material handling reduce physical strain while dramatically boosting efficiency. Quality is the foundation of our commitment. While AI-powered inspection is widely deployed, every single machine undergoes 100% manual testing, including functional and performance tests, and actual brewing verification, upholding our relentless pursuit of reliability. Our smart warehousing system enables full digital control. AGV robots navigate seamlessly as unmanned delivery systems cover the entire facility. Maximizing material flow and accuracy. With an annual capacity of 260,000 units, Jetinno products reach over 100 countries and regions worldwide. 16 professional labs simulate extreme environments, conducting rigorous, functional, performance, and safety tests, ensuring your peace of mind in every cup. Over 190 patents and copyrights highlight Jetinno's commitment to continuous innovation and engineering excellence. At Jetinno, we are a team of innovators driven by a passion for coffee and a pursuit of perfection. We uphold values of integrity and fairness, respect and care for our employees, prioritize product safety and reliability, and continuously innovate to enhance quality of life through technology. Jetinno, inspire life better.